brainstorming and planning with no forewarning. The back can reach deep in your throat, feel for your heart and snatch it. I'm too surreal for you average artists. I used to feel like normal people do in real life, but I couldn't manage. Me and that mortal have got a crooked marriage filled with regret and abuse. I call her the full package. I'm trying to laugh at words. I'll embarrass you before you speak, and you still feel like a cunt afterwards. I can't be fucked, I'm pretty sure I felt passion once, but when I did I flipped my lid, but that's what passion does. Actions first, my satisfaction cost. I'd sooner see myself in a casket burnt to ash and dust. And as for love, my head is way beyond repair, so I'll lift a drink and reminisce like you wasn't there. But life's a bitch and not a lot is fair, so I'll lift my head and walk towards the sun and its awesome glare. Man, that was a fucking rant and a half, I must be having a laugh. Turn up at your house with an axe and a mask, asking for gasps. I make you tell true lies to elaborate facts. Man, I swear I've seen these two guys and they ran for the back. Me and Lucky gonna make it rain on you. You couldn't play Rain Man in a rainstorm if you had his brain on you. I'm sick of saying sorry for not playing your game properly. I get playing lift and a drink's a strange hobby.
On the rise, I call upon the wise. I'm on a log of 5 vaginas, all I've got to call a prize. I walk the line, not with stomp or stop the jives. I might as well be ostrich sized the way I feel ostracised in a shopping line of modern times. Blessed God for metaphors, cause if she really knew what I meant in songs that pug with a fluoriness when I bought her a friendly world. The cold reach around, I don't care what you preach about. All I know is you're going on longer than women trying to leave a house, so leave it out please. Peace if you're putting in work, but if you had hands like shovels, pal, I still wouldn't give a fuck. Smashing fine haberdashery, class and sublime, irrational at times with an axe to grind to help me pass the time. And there she smoulders like a hot tire. He's an angry dog tied to a lamppost abandoned at a bonfire. Come on squire, don't rattle my cage, I'll basket your case. Targeting range, duty calls and rap is a game. I feel like going back to Arkham again, with a cypher full of mad rappers fanning off flames and no planning escape. Burning Glasgow down to ashes again. Master and slave, my banner's epitaph for Billy Lemmy and Frankie's grave. Shimmy and dance away, your flows are wrinkled, twinkle toes. You know the lingo shifty, so behold encryption in the code. Dismissive, bring your whole notion of rapping on lyrical bolts of wisdom. Flap them and roll and list them, so hit the road and take a scone for your shit home with you dauber face. No turn is left unstoned when you rock a stage. I'm on my face, yes, yes, I'm scarily fresh, dropping knowledge like a blind librarian with MS. Feel free to get exponentially stressed as I peddle venomous text like a message that you get from your ex. My thoughts travel faster than using a small circle of friends and manifest metaphysically, character very shifty. An analyst revenue, rip you, grab your face, snatch off. Darren, mate, gas, barricade, stand off.